Let's learn half double crochet together. Start with a foundation chain. Make 2 chain stitches as your turning chain. Wrap the working yarn around the hook from back to front. This motion is called a yarn over, shortened to YO. Insert your hook in the back loop of the 3rd chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. YO again and pull through all 3 loops. 1 half double crochet is finished. You can place a stitch marker on your first HDC to mark your starting point. Repeat the previous steps from the next back loop. Insert your hook in the next back loop.